U.S. President Joe Biden visited a vaccination clinic to celebrate that virtually all Americans can now get a COVID-19 shot after the authorization of vaccines for kids under 5 over the weekend. Biden visited a vaccination clinic in Washington, where some of the first shots were given to young children, the last major age group ineligible for vaccines. He hailed it as an important pandemic milestone that will support the country's recovery. While anyone aged 6 months and up is now eligible for vaccines, the administration is cautioning that it expects the pace of shots for the youngest kids to be slower than older ones. Later in his speech at the White House, President Joe Biden says the United States became the first country in the world to offer safe and effective COVID-19 vaccines for children as young as 6 months old. He also encouraged parents to talk to the doctor to make a plan to get their children vaccinated.
Well, in battling the COVID-19 outbreak, Peru has launched a vaccine campaign to tackle flu and COVID-19 in poor neighborhood of Ticlio Chico on the outskirts of Lima. As winter sets in, healthcare workers forge ahead with a vaccine campaign designed to tackle the flu and COVID-19 in poor neighborhoods. Nurses are responsible for house-to-house vaccination efforts, even set up on a vaccine clinic on a soccer field. Now, plenty of nurses literally face an uphill battle, climbing steep hills to knock on doors to find many of the residents still at work. At recent times, Peru is experiencing a fourth wave of COVID-19 with the number of confirmed cases rising once again. And so far, COVID-19 has killed at least 213,000 people since the beginning of the worldwide pandemic, which was declared in March 2020. Vaccine inequity and distribution have become key issues in Latin America.
Sí,